Okay, so this is the moral and ethical interactions between machines and humans. So to begin, ethics and morals both mean right and wrong, but what dictates ethics is religion, society, profession, and family, whereas morals are your own principles that are made by you and no one else. So since we're developing AI, we've been working on it for a while, and we probably will be working on it for a very long time. We may develop computers with a form of consciousness and intelligence, which brings about a moral debate of should we treat them like people. So since they have their own intelligence and that people may worry that we will no longer have control over them, which could bring around panic that we can do nothing to control them at all. And since there's always been a debate of use computers to stop cutting down trees rather than just making books and papers and stuff like that. But using more technology has brought about more use of printed paper, which pollutes the environment when they're made using chemicals. Also, with an increase in the use of technology, old computers have been thrown out, which has caused pollution. Yes, Paolo?
That was my interpretation.
What?
Keep going.
And pollution of electronics includes lead, cadmium, and mercury. So also with the introduction of more technology, there's been a massive gap between third world countries and first world countries, and even smaller gaps within those countries of different technology. Whereas we may be sitting here with a laptop in front of every single one of us, there are places where they've never seen a laptop. And just a quick little random quiz. A question for anyone is, if a hospital stores all the data about the patients locally, what are some measures that could be taken to keep the data confidential? Anyone? Andrew?
Encrypt it.
Yes. Any other ones? It's simple if you're overcomplicating it.
Keep on a hidden drive deep in the bowels of the building that can't be accessed.
You could
And
do that?
needs a password to be accessed.
Thank you, Antonio. Yeah.
What's your number? Okay, it doesn't matter. 1-1. It's fine.
Okay.
Right, I'll